There are two kinds of travelers that you normally see. One is a summer traveler who always likes to go to beaches and enjoys having tan lines, while the other one who likes to have a hot chocolate in the frosty winters and loves to find snow everywhere. But which type of traveler are you? Let's settle this once and for all. If you're a summer traveler, then definitely you will love to explore places like Bali, Maldives, Santorini, and more. Or if you belong to the winter type, then let us tell you, summer exploration has its own charm. And the destinations we just named it have something special for you. So be ready to join the summer team to get some necessary vitamin D and make your vacations more colorful and Instagram worthy with these trending destinations. What if we tell you about a perfect postcard-like destination where you find fully whitewashed buildings with blue domed roofs situated on a dramatic cliff? And not to forget the amazing views of crystal clear blue waters of the Aegean Sea. Well, that sounds interesting. Santorini is an ideal summer destination to experience sun, beach, water sports and quite the unique volcanic sand on the shores. Simply turn to this place in summer to witness sunsets in Oia, which is considered the most beautiful in the world. Stay in luxurious cave hotels and spend your evening in an infinity pool while watching the shows. Discover the buried city called Greek Pompeii under the volcanic ash, and specifically attend the summer festivals, music events, and cultural celebrations. We know you've already guessed the next destination. Of course, Maldives will be listed under the top summer destination to visit in 2025. Well, why wouldn't it be? No matter wherever you go in the world, the beauty of unparalleled tropical beauty, secluded islands, overwater villas, and picture-perfect scenery are more than enough to call you spend summer vacation in Maldives. From Hollywood to Bollywood, from David Beckham to Shah Rukh Khan, Maldives is the hottest summer retreat to enjoy everything like experiencing vibrant marine life in the midst of endless scenic views and crystal clear blue waters, feeling the adrenaline rush of performing water sports like swimming, diving, snorkeling, jet skiing and more, walking on the soft sandy pathway when booking a stay on a private island, experiencing the charm of Maldivian spa treatment and feel relaxed and composed, indulging in stargazing at night to see the other side of Maldives. So, when are you planning to go to the Maldives? It is time to move away from beaches and land your feet in a popular Japanese city called Kyoto. Sakura, also known as cherry blossom, is not the only thing that makes Japan special. There's more you can find and experience in the summers of Japan. Kyoto, being the cultural and traditional hub of Japan, offers you something amazing to feel in summer. Witness the amazing color palette beauty of the Arashiyama bamboo grove, which looks absolutely beautiful in summers. Explore iconic temples like Kiyomizu-dera and Fushimi Inari Taisa, which look colorful and attractive in broad daylight. If you get a chance to walk around the rivers and shrines in the evening, then get a chance to see firefly sightings that really look unbelievable. Try the perfect kakigori and somen noodles that are served cold in bamboo flames. And there's a lot more you can find in Kyoto, especially during the sunny summers. Now the next destination will surprise you. What if we tell you that Iceland is one of the best places to be during summer due to the heat? While the rest of the world is concerned with sunburn, Iceland's climate can only be described as frosty. Its geology provides an equally chilling yet unique change of scenery. Experience Iceland like never before. Discover areas that enjoy continuous daylight as night is as bright as day. Hence, they are open longer for you to savor the beauty of this magical country. Take a dip in one of the most beautiful spas in the world, and the Blue Lagoon Geothermal Spa is relaxing. No traveler will want to miss a cruise to observe majestic whales in the waters around Iceland, an experience of a lifetime. When we say Queenstown, we are talking about one of the best destinations to visit in 2025 this summer. You know when they say, why sit on the beach when you can fly a cliff attached to a bungee cord? They mean it. I think you must have got the gist. Queenstown calls for all the adventure seekers to make their summer travel all the more special and memorable. When visiting Queenstown, you cannot prevent yourself from doing bungee jumping from the highest point and enjoying it till your lungs scream out. You can try this famous sport at the Kawarau Bridge or at the Nevis Bungee Point. Another way of feeling the adrenaline rush is performing the skydiving and capturing magnetic views of mountains, lakes and valleys. In the mountains of Queenstown, you can go hiking on the Ben Lomond track or at the Queenstown Hill. With that being said, there's more to experience in Queenstown during a summer trip and way more lifelong memories to make. We are not done yet. Traveling will continue and so will curiosity and wonder about the fantastic places to visit in 2025. Tune in for even more great travel locations to consider when packing your calendars and all of life's adventures. If you like this video or if you are aware of any other place that should be on this list, kindly comment below. Do not forget to hit that like button, turn on the notifications and follow for more travel content.